Are you planning to remodel your bathroom? Wait, before you start picking tile colors or hiring a contractor, let me walk you through 35 mistakes that many homeowners make and how you can avoid them. Some of these might seem small, but trust me, they can cost you thousands or cause years of regret. Let's jump right in. 1. Skipping the floor plan. A lot of people just say, "I want a new bathroom," and start tearing things out. That's a huge mistake. You need a detailed plan. Where the toilet will go, what type of shower you want, how much it'll cost, and how long it will take. No plan means unexpected costs and delays. 2. Not adding or upgrading the exhaust fan. Bathrooms get really humid. If you don't have a good exhaust fan, or worse, no fan at all, you'll get mold, peeling paint, and a musty smell. Get a strong, quiet fan that vents outside, not just into your attic. 3. Choosing the wrong materials. Don't use materials that can't handle moisture. Example, regular drywall behind a shower wall will fall apart. Use cement board or waterproof panels. For floors, use porcelain or ceramic tile, not wood or laminate. 4. Underestimating the budget. You might think this will cost about $10,000, but suddenly you find rotted subfloor or need new plumbing. Always set aside extra money, usually 15 to 20%, for surprise costs. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. 5. Trying to DIY plumbing or electrical. Unless you're a plumber or electrician, don't do it yourself. One wrong move with wiring or pipes can cause leaks, floods, or fires. 6. Not planning the layout properly. If you install the vanity in the wrong spot, you might not be able to open the shower door, or the toilet could end up too close to the wall. Make sure everything fits and flows, with enough room to move around comfortably. The functionality of the layout should be a top priority in the design process. 7. Picking style over function. It's tempting to go with the latest trend, like a vessel sink or floating vanity. But ask yourself, does it work for your daily life? For example, vessel sinks can splash a lot and are harder to clean. 8. Not enough lighting. One ceiling light isn't enough. You need good light at the mirror so you can shave or do makeup. Add wall sconces or LED mirrors for clear, shadow-free lighting. Or add skylight for more natural light. 9. Forgetting about storage. Where will you put your towels, toilet paper, or hair dryer? Open shelves might look nice on Instagram, but closed cabinets keep things organized. Think about your daily needs. 10. Not thinking about the future. If you plan to live in your home for a long time, think ahead. Maybe add a walk-in shower instead of a tub, or blocking behind the wall for grab bars later. It's called aging in place, and it adds value too. 11. Rushing the project. Remodeling takes time, especially for things like waterproofing, tile setting, and inspections. Don't rush your contractor or cut corners to finish faster. A good bathroom takes planning and patience. 12. Hiring the cheapest contractor. That contractor who quoted you half the price, they might cut corners, use cheap materials, or disappear before the job's done. Always check reviews, licenses, and insurance. 13. Not waterproofing behind tile. Tile looks waterproof, but water can seep through the grout. That's why you need a waterproof membrane like RedGuard or a Schluter system behind your tile, especially in showers. 14. DIY tile mistakes. Tile seems easy until it isn't. If your surface isn't level or your grout lines are uneven, it'll look bad and leak water. Tiling is a skill. Hire someone who knows what they're doing. 15. Changing plans in the middle of the project. Every time you change your mind, like switching the tile or moving the toilet, it costs more labor and materials. Tip: finalize your design before work starts to avoid costly changes. 16. Oversized fixtures. That double vanity might look amazing online, but if your bathroom is small, it'll feel crowded. Always measure your space carefully before buying fixtures. 17. Shower floor isn't sloped. A flat shower floor won't drain. That water will sit, grow bacteria, or leak into your subfloor. You need at least a 1/4 inch slope per foot toward the drain. 18. Not checking water pressure before choosing fixtures. You fall in love with a multi-head shower, but when you turn it on, it's a weak trickle. Make sure your water pressure and heater can handle it before you buy. 19. Slippery floor tiles. Shiny tiles look nice, but they're slippery when wet. Always use matte or textured tiles rated for floors. Safety is more important than shine. 20. Not enough electrical outlets. Today's bathrooms need outlets for hair dryers, electric toothbrushes, razors, and more. Plan for multiple GFCI outlets near the vanity and maybe a hidden one inside a drawer. 21. No shower storage. Where will you put your shampoo and soap? A simple shower niche built into the wall is a clean, modern way to add storage without plastic racks. 22nd. Installing the mirror at the wrong height. A mirror too high or too low makes it hard to use. Ideally, it should be centered at eye level, usually 60 to 65 inches from the floor. 23. Choosing dark paint in a small bathroom. Dark colors absorb light and make the space feel smaller. Stick with light grays, whites, or soft blues to brighten things up. 24. Too many decorations. Plants, baskets, bold tiles, wallpaper. Together they can feel messy. Keep it simple. Your bathroom should feel clean and relaxing, not crowded. 25. Not enough clearance in front of the toilet. Code requirement. At least 21 inches in front of the toilet, IRC, but 30 inches is recommended for comfort. Common mistake. Homeowners place the toilet too close to a wall, vanity, or shower because they're trying to squeeze it in. You end up sitting with your knees hitting the wall, or the toilet is impossible to clean around. Fix. Measure 21 inches minimum from the front of the toilet bowl to the nearest obstruction. If space allows, go for 30 inches for comfort. 26. Using regular wall paint. Don't use basic flat wall paint. It'll peel from the humidity. Get mold and moisture-resistant bathroom paint. It's made for steam and easy to clean. 27. Shower size too small. Code requirement. Minimum shower interior size is 30 inches by 30 inches, and a shower door must have a clear 22-inch opening. Common mistake. Homeowners pick a stylish shower with glass or curved walls, but forget about space to turn around or reach soap. Some even install swing doors that hit the toilet or vanity. Fix. Go beyond minimums. 36 by 36 feels more comfortable. Also, make sure the door swings outward or use a sliding glass door to save space. 28. Ignoring the ceiling. People often update everything, but forget the ceiling. Paint it with mold-resistant ceiling paint. You can even add recessed lights for a modern touch. 29. Guessing instead of measuring. Eyeballing it doesn't work in remodeling. Measure the height, width, and depth of everything twice. Your new vanity or tub needs to fit. 30. Over-customizing your design. A bright red toilet might be your dream, but it could scare away future buyers. Use bold colors in accessories, not in permanent fixtures. Keep the base design neutral and timeless. 31. Crowding the toilet side to side. Code requirement. Minimum 15 inches from the center of the toilet to any wall or fixture, like a tub or vanity. Common mistake. People often install the toilet too close to the wall or next to a vanity to make room elsewhere, creating an uncomfortable, tight squeeze. Fix. Toilet center to side wall equals minimum 15 inches, so you need at least 30 inches total of space side to side. 32. Vanity too close to toilet or tub. Clearance suggestion. Leave at least 30 inches in front of the vanity for walking or using it comfortably. Mistake. Homeowners choose deep vanities, 22 to 24 inches, in narrow bathrooms. Then the space between vanity and wall or toilet is cramped. Fix. Use shallow vanities, 18 to 20 inches, in small bathrooms. Also consider wall-mounted or floating vanities to open up space. 33, door clearance not considered. Recommendation: bathroom doors should open without hitting any fixtures. Clear swing space is about 32 inches wide. Mistake: a door that opens and slams into the toilet or hits someone inside. Or worse, it can't open all the way. Fix: use a pocket door, barn door, or plan the layout so the swing avoids the toilet and vanity. Always check swing path in your floor plan. 34. No space for towel bars or hooks. Mistake: homeowners forget to plan where towel bars will go, especially after installing glass showers and large mirrors. Then they awkwardly mount towels behind doors or next to outlets. Fix: plan at least 30 inches of wall space near the shower or tub for towel bars. Install at 48 inches height standard from the floor. 35. Not enough space for opening drawers or cabinet doors. Mistake: vanities or storage cabinets placed too close to walls, toilets, or showers, making it impossible to open drawers or doors all the way. Fix: measure swing clearance for each door and touch drawer. For drawers, allow 18 to 24 inches of pull-out clearance. Always review product specs before buying. There you go, 35 bathroom remodeling mistakes and how to avoid them. Now you're ready to start your project with confidence. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world home remodeling tips, and drop a comment if you've made or avoided any of these mistakes. Thanks for watching.